Have you ever wondered if upgrading your old GoPro is worth it? I recently upgraded from my reliable GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver to the GoPro Hero 12. After testing it at my fishing trips for a few months and preparing for a significant family adventure, I'm happy to share my thoughts on the features that matter to me and ultimately tell you my opinion if the GoPro 12 is truly worth the investment. At the end of this video, I've included a short test movie shot entirely on the GoPro 12, so stay tuned to see more real-life shots captured with this camera. So I've been using GoPro for years now, capturing fishing trips and family vacations. My Hero 3 Plus Silver has been a reliable camera, but with a month-long trip to Thailand in November, including snorkeling and water sports, I decided to upgrade. The Hero 3 is quite old, and I believe the image quality is not up to par with modern standards. After researching extensively, I ultimately decided to invest in the GoPro Hero 12. I researched a bunch of other action cameras, and some say they're even better than GoPro. But since I've used GoPros before, I figured it was a safe bet. After checking out what the Hero 12 could do, I decided to give it a try. And it's been awesome. I know there's a newer GoPro 13 out already, but I couldn't see any major differences that would justify the price difference. The Hero 12 was a top pick for me because of the waterproof features. I need a camera that can handle snorkeling and all the water sports we plan for our upcoming trip to Thailand. The image stabilization is also a must have, and this one has it covered. My Hero 3 Silver has served me well, but the Hero 12's improved waterproofing gives me even more confidence. Now I don't have to worry about extra cases like this one or extra gear. It's ready to go underwater right out of the box. It's also been a great companion on my fishing trips. I've attached it to the boat and just left it there, rain or shine. I've been using the Hero 12 now for a while, and the biggest difference is in video quality compared to the Hero 3. The Hero 12 has a whopping 5.3K resolution, and I think it's amazing in low light. The Hero 3, on the other hand, it's like 10 years old and has no low light performance, so I didn't expect anything less from the GoPro 12. Even when the lighting isn't great, the Hero 12 still produces beautiful shots. It's perfect for capturing action-packed fishing, even in the late evenings. Of course, there are some limitations because of the sensor is small, but for an action camera, I think it's great. I've been really impressed with the battery life of my Hero 12. It's a huge upgrade from my Hero 3 Plus Silver. I can now shoot video for over an hour, which is a big improvement from the previous 20 minutes or so. I also got the content creator kit, which comes with cool stuff, like the tripod. This is called Volta. Also, it includes the media mod, also a small light called Light Mod. These extras have been super useful, especially for family trips and fishing days when I need flexibility. The best one is the Volta tripod. It actually has a built-in battery about the size of 3 to 4 regular GoPro batteries. So I think I can shoot now for 5 hours straight. It's been great out fishing. I'm really thrilled with the GoPro 12. It feels like a huge upgrade from the Hero 3 Plus. The ease of use is still there, but it's also more powerful and versatile. If you're coming from an older GoPro model, the upgrade is a big step up. It's just so easy to take on a fishing trip, throw in a bag, and hopefully strap it to a snorkeling mask. This is the perfect fit for my adventures. But there are a few things that could be better. First, the Volta tripod. It would be awesome if it were waterproof. Since you have to plug this in to the USB slot, that means you can't film underwater with this because of the USB slot. Also, the regular GoPro battery could be bigger. An hour of battery life isn't that much, especially when you consider that you'll probably want to use it for a while filming. It would be nice if they included a few extra batteries just in case. I've also tried using the GoPro with my Elgato prompter, and I can't use it because the field of view is so wide on every setting. The prompter is always in the frame no matter what I do. Oh, and the sound quality isn't the best either, with or without the media mod, which has an extra mic over here. But this is still an amazing improvement compared to my old GoPro. So if you're looking for an action camera, especially if you used a GoPro before, I highly recommend the Hero 12. It's been a reliable and high quality choice for fishing and my family trips so far. For those who want a camera they can trust for everyday adventures and once in a lifetime trips, the Hero 12 has been the perfect fit for me. If you're considering it, go for it. It's definitely worth it. And I think the creator bundle is the best choice to get. Hey, let me know in the comments what action cam you have used and what you think of it. And here's the short movie shot with the GoPro 12. Enjoy!